Magic Parrot Story. Long time ago, a parrot lived in a forest. The parrot was the magic parrot, and there was no other parrot like him in the world. The parrot only had one spell. That parrot kept changing its color. Hunters could not catch the parrot due to change of color. Hunter to catch the parrot used to wander in the woods. But because of the magic of color changing, the parrot used to escape again and again. Because the tree used to be. That's how he used to make his color. And survived. One day a hunter recognized that parrot. Recognizing that parrot, he decided to catch it. Now the hunter thinks in his mind, how can I catch this parrot? Because this parrot is a very He went to Guruji and said to Guruji, Guruji, I want to catch a parrot. The magic parrot. I have been running around for days to catch him. But I can't get hold of that parrot. Because he is a magic parrot. That's how I see him. It changes its color. Changes color. So I can't see him. Guruji said, look Hunter, you are an ordinary human. So let me tell you a mantra. However you feel like this parrot here. So say your mantra right there. Then the parrot will. Hearing this, the hunter said, I will do so. As soon as I see a parrot or I feel like there is a parrot, then I will start chanting this mantra. Having said this, the hunter walks back to the forest. While walking in the woods, he started thinking, is it possible that Guruji has fooled me and given me some false mantra? Why don't I use this mantra and see here? Such a hunter was thinking in his mind. Suddenly he saw another parrot there. So the hunter thought that I will try to use this mantra on this. And the hunter stopped there. Stop and look at the parrot. Starts chanting his spell. The mantra had no effect on the parrot. And he is probably realizing it's not a magical parrot. So it doesn't affect it. And the forest where the magic parrot lived went towards that forest and started roaming there. It's too late to wonder. But he could not find the parrot. But the hunter felt that here is the parrot. Thinking like this, the hunter started looking around him carefully. As he looked up at a tree, so there sat that magic parrot. She recognized him. And he started chanting the mantra. But the mantra did not affect the parrot. and the parrot changed its color. And he went and sat on the other branch. And now the parrot was not visible to the hunter. The hunter was chanting over and over. But the mantra was not having any effect on the parrot. The hunter could not understand anything. This is the mantra given by Guruji. Why is it not affecting the parrot? I go back to Master. Maybe Guruji will tell me something. Saying this, he started going to Guruji from there. As soon as he reached Guruji, so he told Guruji, Guruji, the mantra given by you is not working at all. You haven't given me the right mantra. So that mantra is not working. Because you are a mean and deceitful person. This mantra is not for people like you. I made a mistake giving you this mantra. After hearing this, the hunter realized his mistake. And he stood before Guruji with folded hands. Sir, I made a big mistake. Please forgive me. I didn't trust you. Guruji said nothing can happen now. You go home. I have to go to penance. Saying this, Guruji leaves from there. And the hunter lay there regretting. So children, we get this lesson from this